Hello, welcome to another video. Umut here. Today I'm going to create a Christmas art journal page, and I'm really inspired with this magazine, the Daphne's Diary, that I am a member of. So it comes to me in the seasons, and I'm going to leave the link down below where you can buy it because they ship internationally. And the Christmas edition is fantastic with a lot of pictures, recipes, crafts. It's a magazine about food, crafting, and decoration, everything basically. So I really like it. I'm going to tear off the one page that I'm going to use as my pictures, but to prepare my background, today I'm going to play with my sprays. So I start with my Distress Rusty Hinge, and I'm going to use a little bit walnut stain on it. I will just create a village scenery. It will be a Christmas village, so I'm just using some earthy tones of blue and browns to create my earth ground and the sky. So I'm just combining normal distress stains, sprays, and the oxides to create an interesting effect. Basically, all I am doing is playing myself. I started with distress sprays, and on top I'm using the oxides. Tim Holtz told this way the oxides will give a brighter look if you use the other sprays first. So I'm just trying, and I'm going to switch to blues to create my sky, and I chose one of my color bloom sprays, but you can use other blues, whatever you have. I just didn't have any other light blue in other brands. And this is a mica spray, so it gives a bit of shine. And on top of this I'm using my faded jeans oxide. Again, I'm using whatever I have. I have different colors from different brands, so it's nice to play. And this is pearl white. I'm going to spray it all over to give the same shine to all the page. And I thought it goes well because it's Christmas, so a little glitter and shine doesn't hurt anyone in Christmas. I'm making some drops, final touches. This is pumice stone. And after that I'm going to dry, and I'm happy with my kind of muted and shiny background, and I'll show you quickly. It's very nice, a little bit shimmery, not too much because it's mica only, not glitter or something. But I really like it. It's going to stand really well at the background with the colors that I have for my focal points. To give a little bit more interest, I'm going to use my script stamp from Penny Black with the colors that matches the background, cauliflower blue from Archival, and some dark brown from Memento Inks. Again, the brand doesn't matter, you can use whatever blues and browns you have. And finally I'm going to fussy cut these very cute houses, and you will see that they will really stand out nicely against my background. And as you see, I fussy cut many images, and I just glued them like creating a village of houses, a snowman, and Santa's gifts are coming to the village. And I used my matte medium to create some snow effect. I just watered down some acrylic paint, white, and I just splashed it all over my page. Because I used sprays, they didn't stay as white as you want, but they are there. And to create some snow effect, I'm using my snow paste from Stamperia. But many brands have snow paste, so whichever brand is available to you, it's fine. Or you can turn your modeling paste into snow paste. simply by throwing some little stones in it from the ground, soil, whatever. Probably soil is not a good idea because it will give the brown color, but stones, little stones, or you can just use your modeling paste as it is. It will also look like snow. And there are many embossing powders that give the snow effect. There is snow pen, so many options to create a snow effect. I had this for years and years and I never used it. That's why it's a little bit harder than it should be, but it's my fault because I didn't use it on time. I'm going to still use it because I just don't want to throw it away. So it has like little particles of stones in it and it gives a nice texture. So I'm just putting it with my palette knife around the houses as if it snowed and it's melting now. And I'm using my baby wipe to also just move it around, and it gives a more natural look, as you see, rather than all the paste sticking around the houses. As you see, after I lay down the paste, while it's still dry, I'm just moving it around with a baby wipe that is not wet but moist, so I don't ruin the background or I do it too much and it's wet. It just allows it to melt a little bit and move around, which looks so much more natural than leaving it there. And I will here do add some more interest. I am adding some matte medium at the end of this, and I'm going to actually add glitter as if it's flying. It's spreading glitter over the village. I have 3 colors of glitter from Arteza, and Arteza has a collection of glitters that has every color. So I'm going to put the link down below at the description area if you're interested. It's like, I don't know, 40 something or 50 something colors. I used a little bit silver, a little bit dark silver, and these are holographic, so as you move they really shine very nicely. And I'm going to use a little bit red too, so all these colors go very well with my the other colors that I have on the page. And it's as if this is leaving glitter on the page. And I have this chat sticker set from Tim Holtz, and I'm going to simply select all the words that I related to Christmas, and I'm going to stick it here. So it says Christmas, snow, winter, joy, festive, and I'm going to organize it in a different way so that it looks more organized and better. And I think I will select one more, which is love. So we need all these things in the new year, and I hope you have a lovely Christmas, although it's an unusual one. But as long as you're healthy and with your loved ones, it's okay. I'm using a little bit of white gel pen to make some dots of snow, because snow wasn't so prominent, so I'll add a bit few. And I'm going to go around the sentiments, the words, with a thin tip black pen, just to put a nice frame around them. I think they look better this way, and it goes better with the black lines of the images. And I'm going to draw a few hearts, really few, here and there in black, just to balance things out, and it's nice always. And I'm finished with the page. I really love it. Now you can see the effect of the glitter, how shiny it is, and all the details. There will be also pictures at the end of the video for you to see all the shine and the details close up to the page. I really love it. It's one of my favorite Christmas pages that I have done. So I hope you like it too. If you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe or comment on my videos. That's how I know. I hope you're all well, healthy and safe. Be careful and take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.